Hello guys, and it was a very long time since I made my last video, but all this time I was very busy with my work and I was collect money and already bought new phone and new laptop, and it made my life more easy than I had before. That's why I have holidays now, and I decided to make some new videos for this channel. And as you can see from the name of this video, I will mix again my hobby, my job, my work, making arts with GTA. The plan is, as you can see, this is GTA San Andreas menu. I will start to play game, find some cool place, and make screenshot after, and then try to make this scenery in my own art style. Okay, let's start. Yes, here we go again, as we can say. Okay, we still this beautiful car, and we will go to the beach. I think on the beach we can find some nice scenery. Especially it will be in the evening and someone is here, please. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm not streaming, I'm just making some experiments. I didn't play the game for a long time because I was using GTA before. And I think something like this. Yes, I'm not a streamer, I'm not a teacher. Knowing you how to make arts, I really so you know, I'm just having fun and I'm making now. I will maybe cut this, finding something, and I will return to you when I will find something more interesting than this factory or what is dogs or something about it, and will tell you when I will have some editing of this video. I will find some beautiful scene. So guys, hopefully you liked this kind of strange video, and if you have any thoughts about it, any ideas how to improve this content on my channel, please write any ideas in comments and I will read everything. Even if you write only one comment and put only one like, it's okay, because it's only making for fun. I will upload this video already in the new year, and for now it's only 30th of December. So guys, I want to wish you happy new year, to be productive, active, and quite development people. Happy new year, guys.